So this is 2022 paper question. Let's see. A circular lamina of radius r is cut out from the circular lamina 2r plus 3. The remaining portion of the lamina is 27 pi. So that means from the total lamina's area, when you subtract the removed portion's area, that will give you the remaining shaded region's area. That's enough. Okay, for that, first of all, let's find area of the total circle. To find that, phi r square. Okay, phi r square is the area of the total circular lamina. That's easy to find that. Phi, the radius of the lamina. Radius of the total lamina was 2r plus 3. So phi 2r plus 3 square. Phi 2r plus 3 square. Minus, from that we have to subtract the lamina with radius r. That means phi r square. We have to subtract phi r square. That is equals to 27 phi square centimeters. That's all. Okay, that is the given data in the question. Then let's simplify this. Okay, we have to simplify this furthermore. Okay, before that we have to expand the first one. Phi 2r plus 2 square. 2r square means 4r square plus 2 into 3 6, 6 into 2 12r plus 3 square, which is 9, minus phi r square, which is equals to 27 pi. Then after I'll expand this bracket by using the phi. 4 phi r square plus 25 phi r plus 9 phi minus phi r square. I'll bring the 27 phi also to left side, from right to left. Minus 27 phi equals to 0. 4r square and 4 phi r square minus phi r square. That will become 3 phi r square. Plus here 12 phi r plus 12 phi r. 9 phi minus 27 phi. So that means 27 minus 9, that would be 18. Minus 18 phi equals to 0. Then after here you can see r square only here. That means the 3 pi was selected as the common factor in the equation. So let's bring 3 phi as a common factor. So then after r square, when you bring 3 phi here, that will become 4r plus 4r minus 6, which is equals to 0. Then after r square plus 4r minus 6 equals to 0 divided by 3 phi. 0 divided by 3 phi, usually 0 divided by any value, that would be 0 again. This is the way we have to show the first quadratic equation. Then, and by solving it, okay, we have to solve this. R to the nearest first decimal. Find the value for r to the nearest first decimal place. Okay, that's the thing we have to do. So we found the equation here now by using that. This is ar square plus br plus c, common form. A was 1, b is 4, c is negative 6. Here. Okay, let's write our quadratic formula. Okay, in the quadratic formula, let's substitute our values. Negative b. B is already 4. So negative 4 plus or minus 4 square minus 4 into a, 1 into c is negative 6. C is negative 6. Multiplied with negative 6 divided by the denominator 2 into a was 1. Then negative 4 plus or minus, inside the square root we have 4 square, which is 16, minus into minus plus 24 divided by 2. Negative 4 plus or minus square root of 40. 40 means we can express 40 as 4 multiplied with 10. Here also they were given a hint. You should show the value which is located inside the square root as a multiplication of 10. Multiplication of 10. So 4 times 10. 4 is a square number. No? Then after negative 4 plus or minus, I'll bring the 4 outside. So that will become 2 square root of 10 divided by 2. Divide by 2. Yeah. Yeah. After this, let's simplify this furthermore over here. Negative 4. That means we can divide that by 2. Negative 4 divided by 2, negative 2 plus or minus 2 divided by 2, 1. Square root of 10. Okay, square root of 10. No need to write the 1. No need to write the 1. If you want, you can write the 1 itself. That one also possible. But we did this 2 is a common denominator that belongs to both of these numerators. So negative 4 divided by 2, that is negative 2. 2 plus square root of 10 divided by 2, that means 2 and 2 can be simplified. Plus or minus square root of 10. Here there are two possible answers for x. Okay, there are two possible. Okay, this is our r. There are two answers for r. First one, negative square root of 2 plus square root of 10. This is a possible one of the possible answer. Then after another possible answer, r is negative 2 minus square root of 10. The square root of 10 is given as 3.13. Negative 2 plus 3.13, that means it would be 1.16. 1.16. 3.16 minus 2, 1.16. Here it will become negative 2 minus 3.16, that is negative 5.3. 5.16, sorry, negative 5.16. But this is not possible. R is a radius, that means linear length. Radius cannot be a negative value. So only a possible answer for R, which is 1.16. 1.16. But in the question, r to the nearest first decimal place. That means r is equals to 1.2. Okay, nearest place 1.2. We show that r is equal to 1.2. Then by considering the value of phi as 3.1, we have to consider phi as 3.1 to show, to find circumference of the smaller lamina. Okay, that means the interior, removed one, 2 phi r. Circumference means 2 phi r, no? 2 into 5, we have to consider 3.1. Okay, not 22 upon 7, that's wrong. 3.1 multiplied with the radius, we found the radius as 1.2. To the first decimal place, we found it as 1.2. No? So you have to substitute that one. So when we multiply these three quantities, that will give you the respective circumference. So finally, circumference of the small lamina, that was centimeter. Okay, this one also centimeter because the area was indicated by using the unit centimeter, square centimeters. No? That means radius would be 1.2 centimeters. Circumference would be 7.44 centimeters. That should be your answer.